In primetime news this evening, no breach. Security Minister declares U.S. Coast Guards followed procedure in detaining 5 Jamaican fishermen. Lawsuit. Venezuela files claims over Petrojam shares. And PNP President aspirant Peter Bunting outlines plan for the party.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Herman Green has our preview. Herman?
Thanks, Janella. Well, Scotia Group has recorded a lower profit so far this year. The group CEO told us why, how much, and what he thinks about it. I'll give you all the details later in the business day.
And from Herman, Mr. Jordan Ford, what's happening in sports?
Well, Archie, not such good news for the West Indies as they suffered yet another defeat at the ICC Cricket World Cup today. I'll tell you the implications in Primetime Sports Monday. And of course, there's action at the National Stadium. The Reggae Boys are set to be in action this evening in the CONCACAF Gold Cup.
And I think there's some traffic changes as a result.
Okay, great. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what do you make of the government's reaction to the allegations of abuse made by 5 fishermen who were detained by the U.S. Coast Guard?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.